Welcome students. Here we will see a question from the topic arithmetic progression. Here question is, so that the sum of m plus nth term and m minus nth terms of an AP is equal to twice of the mth term. Okay, so let us see the solution here. We know the formula for nth term, general term, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, correct? So with the help of this formula, let us find out m plus nth term and m minus nth term. So m plus nth term, which we can write t m plus n. Okay, so if a and d remains as first term and common difference, then in place of n, here we have to write m plus n. So this is a plus m plus n minus 1 into d, correct? And m minus nth term, which we used to write t m minus n, this is equal to a plus m minus n minus 1 into d. With the help of this formula, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. In place of n, we are writing here m minus n. Okay. Now let us write here 1 and 2. Now adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2, because we have to show that the sum of m plus nth term and m minus nth terms of AP is equal to twice. So let us find the sum. So adding 1 and 2, what we get here? We are getting Tm plus n and Tm minus n is equal to a plus a, 2a, and plus d will be common here. D is common in both the terms, and the numbers inside the bracket will be here m plus n minus 1 and here plus m minus n minus 1. Here plus n and minus n will be cancel out, correct? We are getting here 2a plus 2m minus 2 into d. Now let us take 2 common here. So 2 here a plus m minus 1 into d, and a plus m minus 1 into d is mth term, isn't it? So because you see, if in place of n you write m, then you will get this is equal to a plus m minus 1 into d. So this is exactly similar. So we will get here 2 Tm, because Tm is equal to a plus m minus 1 into d. So here will be m is here a plus m minus 1 into d, that is nothing but Tm. So we are getting here that sum of m plus nth term and m minus nth terms is equal to twice of mth term. So it has been proved here. Okay, fine, very simple. Okay, now we will see next question in another video.